hole there to put your microphone and your headphones in, it won't go in all the way because well, yeah. Now onto the wireless headphones. These are the, call them wireless 6S. You get them in different colours. I got the blue and black because I like blue. Well, purpley blue. See this in the back. Don't always listen to the music all day long because it can damage your ears. Specifications: the boxing's quite neat. It's just a cardboard box. It's got FM radio as well. I have actually tried these out already. Noise reduction microphone, but I don't use these to use phone calls anyway, so not even the I just reviewed them. Power earbuds I don't even use for the phone, so I don't know how it acts with the phone. Right, when you get in the box, you get the headphones. Quite a nice little bit of weight to them. And in the box, it's the typical instructions. Very tiny writing, but there you go. And the lead, and then you get the lead. Right, I already have a pair of headphones already used for the TV, but what I found is that's connected to my headphones, but the only problem I found is because the hole is the hole there to put your microphone and your headphones in, it won't go in all the way because well, yeah, it won't go all in, so I can't use them on the TV unless I get another connector. These will go in no problem because they've got nothing to stop it, no thick plastic to stop it. So I thought I'd get an extension even, I don't know, but it's good for anything else. So yes, you get them, and as I said, I've already tested them out. Sound is very good. Not as good as the M-Power earbuds, so the radio as well depends what region you live in, because the radio signal is not exactly brilliant. It's FM and most of it's digital these days, but there you go. So the fold out and the click, and you can extend them. So yeah, and you've got the dials and stuff, so you can have them, I don't know, off and on, volume. To get the radio, it's the M, and then you use the forward and back arrows to tune it in. And of course, it's for the headphone, for the microphone, for the phone. But I said I don't use it anyway. So yeah, they're good, they're comfortable, they're very comfortable. But I said I'm not going to use them for phone calls, but they're handy for when I'm editing videos and stuff. But I'd rather have headphones and earbuds doing that. Earbuds are good at night, but these I can use for editing videos and stuff like that. Yeah, I haven't tried it on that yet, but I'd give these 8 out of 10. I like the colour. The nice and spongy bit, that's good. It's not exactly noise cancelling, but it's good. When you get in the right place, it's really good. So yeah. Okay, so that's them. E3 SD card and blah blah blah, a mini SD card, micro SD card. So you got